So guys, this is exactly what you will see happens on the video. So I suggest, if you want to learn how to do this, how to really catch spikes or trade against spike, I suggest you sit back, watch this video to the end so you can learn and have the ideas and understand the strategies on how you can actually do this on your own trade. So guys, sit back, watch the video, and don't forget to like the video. Okay, all right, let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I still remain treadmill the spiking. Today I'm going to show you guys the scalping strategy I use on boom and crash. This strategy is the strategy you will use and you make yourself much money by scalping the market. Scalping is a high frequency trading, one of the fastest form of trading you can ever find. And as a scalper, you always have to go with the flow, because you always have just a few seconds to make a decision. So we're going to scalp this market today, and we're just going to jump in, we jump out with profit in no period of time. It's a few seconds or minutes. Okay guys, and you can do this over and over again, and you can 6-7 times in a day, and you make a whole lot of money for yourself for a day. Okay guys, as you can see, we are on the trade already. We're on a live trade, and what are we actually doing? We are selling. Okay, so guys, please, if you are watching this video, I'd like you to like, share, and please subscribe. That would be very good for me. Please subscribe to this video and share. Turn on your notification, and so that you can always get videos from us like this. Okay, thanks guys for doing that. So first of all, you can see the market is up. I've already set my indicators already before I enter the trade, so I'm just going to show you guys how I did this. Okay, the indicators I'm using to run this scalping, and it will really help you a lot. So I'd like you to pay more attention to this and follow what I'm doing, and try it on your own charts, and you'll see you'll make yourself a whole lot of money. So guys, quickly, let's see the indicators we are using. Okay, we're using the moving average, the envelopes are moving average. We're using two moving averages so first, moving average period 13 ship 0 method exponential applied to close style 2 pixel, color is blue, and you add your indicator again on indicator window. You go to your envelopes period 14 ship 0 deviation 0.9 method exponential method, and apply to close. Upper band 2 pixel green, lower band 2 pixel red. You can use any color of your choice. Okay, and you go to back to your indicator. Go to your second moving average period 3 ship 0 method exponential apply to close style 4 pixel, color is blue. Please, I would like you guys to pay attention to this. Just follow everything I'm doing correctly. Okay, just follow everything I'm doing and you will get a result. Okay guys, I promise you that the moment you follow exact things I'm doing here and you try it on your own chart, guys, I promise you it's 100% profit gain for you. Just follow what I'm doing. So the reason we are using these indicators, like I always use the most important indicators. I don't just mix up indicators on a chart to just make a chart look nice or something. I just use the most important indicators that will actually tell us what to do. So the moving average we are using now, as you can see, is actually telling us that this market is on a downtrend. Okay, so what happens when the market is on a downtrend? You look for selling opportunities, and that is what we are doing right now. We are selling, but before you enter a market like this, you have to be sure of your entry. Like, you have to have a good entry so that you don't end up losing money. Yeah, and you also have to know where to jump out to get into the market, and also jump out of the market, so you won't lose money at the end, because this is a boom. So we are actually expecting spikes. So when a spikes comes in, what happened? You might take all your profit and all that. So first we're going to look for the strong we are going to look for the strong positions where we will actually expect spikes. So when we find those positions, we just have to follow up our trade. So before our trade gets down to these positions, we have to jump out from the market so we don't lose money, because when a spike comes in, you might actually lose money. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are making money already. We are on profit. So what we are going to do right now is place our trend line on those positions we are expecting a spike. So you can see we are having our support and resistance already, and the support line is where we're actually expecting a spike. Okay, because that position right there is a strong zone. So it's a zone that the markets might actually hit and have a pullback, and the pullbacks might always come with spikes. So when you get to positions like that, you have to get out from the market. You make your profit. You wait for the market to either have a pullback from there or breaks the position, then you enter the trade again. So from that position now, as you can see our trend line where we have our horizontal line, we are expecting a pullback from there. So immediately the candles finishes at that position, we are going to go out on the market, and we've made $15 already, and that depends on the lot size you are using. And please don't always forget, if you are entering a trade, if your account is a small money account, don't use big lot sizes. All you have to do is just use smaller lot sizes so that you won't lose all your money in just few period of time. Okay guys, so we are out of the market. So what we are expecting right now is it's a pullback, like a pullback that might come with a spike. Okay, and when this happens, we will enter the market again. So right now, let's just wait for a pullback, because we are expecting that very soon. So if the market should pass that level, that support, if the market should break that support level, which will now turn to resistance, and we don't have a spike, we will actually enter the market again, because if it doesn't happen at that position, we are safe, because any spike that will happen after that, I don't think will be a very strong spike. Okay, because we see this area as a weak zone. So anything that's happening there, any pullback happening there, will not be that strong, and the spikes will not that be strong enough. So we will then enter a trade again. So guys, we are expecting a spike from here. We are expecting a pullback from there, a retest from there. So let's just watch. Okay, we didn't have the pullback, so we are going to place another trade. Okay guys, we're going to place another trade now. As you can see, we shifted our horizontal line down, because that is another strong zone we are expecting a spike from. So we are going to enter another trade now, expecting the market to still come down to this position. We have our trend line, because that is where we expect the spike to come in again. Okay guys, all right guys, we just place another trade. Don't forget that at this position a spike might still happen, but we'll see it like a weak spike, which might not actually take much profit. And even if the spike happens, the market will still come down, and we'll still make money. Okay guys, because this zone, like I said earlier, is a zone that we might catch a spike, but the very strong zone that we were supposed to have a stronger spike was broken. So any other spike that's happening from this position will not be a stronger spike. It will be a weak spike, which will not affect our trade, because we are still going to come down and make profit. So guys, let's just watch this video and see. Okay, like I said, you see, you just got a spike from there. Like I told you earlier, it won't be a stronger spike, it will just be a weaker spike, which will still open up the market for us to still make profits. Okay guys, let's just watch this video, understand it, try it on your on your trade, and come back and comment and tell me how it goes, because once you're using this strategy, you're making a whole lot of money guys. You're making a whole lot of money. This is scalping. Okay, and you do this on a 1 minute time frame, because it's not a trade you stay for a longer time. It's just a trade you just go in, make your profits, go out, check the market, check the strategies, go in again, make your profits, and go out. So you can see we've made our first profit, so you're gonna make a second profit for the day. Okay, guys, please, like I said earlier, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm begging, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, that's the only thing you can do for me right now, guys. Just subscribe, like, and share the video, please. Okay, let's just watch and see what happens. As you can see, the market is still selling, and we are about to hit our entry again. Like I told you, we're gonna have a spike, but it won't be a strong spike. It will be a weaker spike, which will still come down and still go into profit. As you can see, the next candle that is gonna come out now is taking us into profit again. As you can see, guys, we just hit our entry and we are in profit again. So all we just have to do now is just stay close to our trade to manage our risks, because this is scalping trade. It's a trade that you have to stay close to your market. You manage your risks because it's a trade you don't have to stay for a long time. You just wait to cash your 7 8 pips that gets you your profit, and you go out of the market before it turns against you. How does it turn against you? It's when a spike actually happens, and when the spikes happens, as you can see, guys, we are on profit and we are making money already. So when the spikes happen, it might take all your profit and get you into losses. So that's why you have to know these strong zones where you have to place your support, and I have to understand that when the market gets down to your support, you go out from the market, so the spikes that will happen won't take the profit. So scalping is, you have to be technical when you're scalping. You don't just jump in and start trading without having a better analysis on how the trade will go at the end of the day. So right now, as you can see at our support level from this line I'm showing you guys right now, that is where we are expecting another spike, because that is a strong zone. That is a zone that the market might actually pull back, and these pullbacks always comes with spikes. Okay, guys, it always comes with spikes, and this time around we are expecting a more stronger spike, that if it happens, it might take all our profits. So we wouldn't want that to happen, so we'll just wait. When we get to that position, we go out of the market with profits. And when the spike happens, it has nothing to do with us. After the spike, we still goes into the market again and still make profit. That's how you scalp, guys. That's how you scalp, and you make money on boom and crash. I've been using this analysis and I've been making money. Okay, guys, you can do this 7 8 9 10 times a day as you wish, and at the end of the day, you make so much money. As you guys can see, we are still selling, still making profits. But all we just have to do is to manage our risks. We have to be sure that we don't get past this our support level, because the moment it passes our support level, we might lose, because a spike will actually happen from that position, and it will be a very strong spike that will wipe our profits. So we have to stay close, manage our trade, manage our risks, and make money, because we all come to forex to make money. See, from that horizontal line, we are expecting a spike from that position. So what we just have to do is just make sure we close our trade. When once we get to that position, we just close out with our profits. Okay, guys, You guys should just watch and see what happens. Okay. That is what we are actually expecting in the next spike. So the moment we get that position, we are out of the market. And when the spike happens, it has nothing to do with us. We've already made our profit. What we have to do again is enter the trade again and still continue with profit. Okay, guys, that's how you scalp, guys. Just follow this strategy. You can either just watch it over and over again, use the same strategy, use the same indicators I'm using, the same styles and everything. I promise you'll make a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay, guys, we just closed our trade. Like I told you, that position there is where we are expecting a spike. Okay, guys, as you can see, any moment from now we'll have a spike, and it will be a very strong spike, which we would have taken all our profits and we will run at a loss. Just watch out, guys, so that you really understand what I'm talking about. You're expecting a spike any moment from now, because that's the zone, that's a strong zone for this period. See the zones I'm showing you guys. That is the positions and zones and areas we are expecting a spike. So we didn't have to risk our profits. We just had to go out from the market, because any moment from now a spike will happen. Just watch, guys. Please guys, I'm begging you guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. Okay. I know if we were still in the market, we will still be making more profit, but it's better you go out with that profit than lose everything, because from that zone, as you can see, guys, I told you there was gonna be a spike, and as you can see, is a stronger spike, which would have taken our profits. So, guys, how do you know how to catch these spikes? How do you know where these spikes will happen? If you want to know about this and you don't really understand it from this video, I suggest you check our subscription page. You'll see my Telegram channel. You join my free Telegram channel, which I drop free signals for your daily trade, and I teach you and mentor you and show you how you can use these strategies to make money for yourself, because we all come to forex to make money. So I will gladly like to show everybody how to make money. Just check on the description page. You'll see my WhatsApp link. You can join my WhatsApp link and talk to me directly, and we can have a conversation on how we can make this money together. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate